everyone. My name is Ben Stout. I'm the youth pastor at Lakeview Community Church. You're probably wondering what we're up to back here. They're doing some blacksmithing with Travis DeWall, a good college buddy of mine. So they're going to be tearing it up, and we're doing this series called Forging Hearts. I'm really excited for this series because this is a series that's emphasizing on how God shapes us, just as metal bends to fire. So I'm really hoping that you guys can join us this next week. We're going to be having a lot of fun, 6 o'clock to 7:30, and I hope that God will be able to touch your heart and change your life. And I saw that. Yeah, I did. All right, so come on down. We'll have a great time.